Hello class, this is teacher Nahina. How are you? No vídeo de hoje teremos English Games. What am I? Farm animals. Vocês vão ter que descobrir what am I? Qual é o animal da farm animal que a gente está conversando, ok? So, what am I? Can you follow the clues to work out which farm animal is being described? Vocês conseguem seguir as dicas e descobrir qual animal está sendo descrito? Click on the suns to review each clue. Clique no solzinho para revelar as dicas. Let's start. What am I? I'm very tall. I eat hay. I have a long tail. What am I? I'm a horse. Next, I have 4 legs. I like to go for walks. Eu gosto de passear. I like to go for walks. I bark. What am I? I'm a dog. Next, I eat grass. My babies are called lambs. I have wool on my body. Lã, okay? I have wool on my body. What am I? Uia, I'm a sheep. Next, I'm quite big. I make milk. My baby is called calf. What am I? I'm a cow. What am I? I have 2 legs. I have a beak. Bico. I have a beak. I like to swim. What am I? I'm a goose. What am I? I have feathers. I lay eggs. Eu boto ovo. I lay eggs. My baby is called chick. What am I? I am a hen. What am I? I like to roll in mud. Eu gosto de rolar na lama. I like to roll in mud. I have a curly tail. My baby is called Piglet. What am I? I'm a pig. The last one, o último. What am I? I have brightly colored feathers. Minhas penas são bem coloridas. I have claws. I make a lot of noise in the morning. Eu faço muito barulho de manhã. I make a lot of noise in the morning. What am I? I'm a rooster. So that's it. Quantos vocês acertaram? Bye bye, class!